it's Noe with WTI, and get ready to never burn your fingers again. This rotating hair curling iron from Webeauty is amazing. Let me tell you why. My favorite thing about this curling iron is that it has this protective wall or casing around the curling iron. So it prevents you from getting your fingers burnt while curling your hair. Now, I've never used one before and was a little skeptical to use one for the first time. But once you learn how to use it, you will have perfect curls every time. Here are some tips that help me get the perfect curl. You'll want to make sure your hair is thoroughly brushed before placing your hair in the curling iron. Once you place your hair in the curling iron, make sure it's at an angle. Once it's at an angle, you simply push the arrow closest to you. Continue to rotate that, leaving it for 5 to 8 seconds, and then releasing it straight down. I also love that the top is not covered. So as you're rotating your hair, there's no worry that your hair will get stuck. You can simply pull straight down and it releases your hair. This has made curling my hair so easy. I have longer hair and it works beautifully. So whether you have short hair or long hair, I think this could work for any type of hair. This curling iron heats up so fast. The little arrows at the top allow you to see which direction you're rotating your hair. This is perfect for anyone who's just getting started with curling their hair and are afraid of burning their fingers. So if you're ready to take the hair salon home with you and want perfect curls every time, then check out this rotating hair curling iron from Webeauty. And that's my point of view.